So in this part of the presentation, I'm going to be talking about different types of tsunamis, three specific different types, and I'm also going to talk about three significant tsunamis that occurred within those types. And all three of these types, they have in common, they're based on the distance that they travel and the amount of time it takes to get to where they're going. So the first type is called a local tsunami, and it occurs 100 kilometers from the source and has about an hour arrival time. And then a regional tsunami is about 100 to 1,000 kilometers from the source with a 1 to 3 hour arrival time. And a distant tsunami is anything over 1,000 kilometers from the source and anything over 3 hours travel time. And going into a prominent local tsunami, I'm talking about the Tafjord tsunami that occurred in Norway in 1934. It occurred from a rock slide, and that rock slide occurred off of the side of a mountain and fell from about 2,300 feet in the air. It fell all the way into a body of water below the mountain, and it resulted in a local tsunami that caused 40 deaths in the area. And then a significant regional tsunami is one that occurred in the Sea of Japan in 1983. This one occurred from an earthquake, a 7.8 magnitude earthquake, and this tsunami severely damaged coastal areas of Japan, Korea, and Russia, and caused more than $800 million in damage and over 100 deaths. And finally, a distant tsunami. This one occurred in 2004 in the Indian Ocean, and it was generated from a 9.1 magnitude earthquake, and it had huge devastation on Indonesia, Thailand, and Malaysia. And this tsunami alone caused over 300,000 deaths, so definitely a lot more than the other two. And then more about that Indian Ocean tsunami. The epicenter for it was located under the Indian Ocean near the west coast of the ocean, and violent movements from Earth's tectonic plates caused powerful shock waves, and this resulted in the massive damage and massive loss of life from the tsunami.